Let's solve this triangle for the sides A and B. First, I'm going to label this vertices as C, which means this angle is C, and the side opposite to this angle C is the side C, which is denoted by the lowercase c. So I'm going to use this sine law to determine the values of A and B. First, I have to determine this angle C. This can be determined using the angle sum property of a triangle. So we know that in any triangle, the sum of the interior angles equals 180 degree, which means the sum of this angle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. So let me write down that. So this is 50 degree plus 43 degrees, angle A, angle B, and angle C equals 180 degree. 50 plus 43 is 93 degree plus angle C equals 180 degree, and this implies we subtract 93 from both sides. We get angle C equals 180 minus 93, and this equals 87 degree. So we just determined the angle C, which is equal to 87 degree. And this angle is required so that we can apply the sine law and determine the one of the sides A or B first, and then we can determine the other side A or B after determining the first side. So first I'm going to use this relation relating the angle A, the side length A, angle C, and side length C. So I'm going to use this relation. In fact, I can just erase this. You know that angle C is 87 degree. Let me write down here. This is 87 degrees. Now let me use this relation, that is sine A over A equals sine of angle C over the side C. So we can substitute the values which we know here. We know that angle A is 50 degree. So I replace angle A by 50 degree divided by the side length A, which we don't know. So I write down this as A, and then sine of angle C, which we have just found out, that is 87 degree over the side length C, which is 200 feet. So I write down without the units. Now we can solve for this side length A using this relation, because we have three unknowns and just three known quantity and just one unknown quantity. I'm going to do the cross multiplication like this. So when I do that, I get 200 times of sine 50 equals A times of sine of 87 degree. And we have to divide both sides by this quantity, that is sine of 87, so that we get A. And then I rewrite this A such that it comes to the left side. So A equals 200 sine of 50 degree over sine of 87 degree. And we can plug these values into the calculator, and when we do that, we get the value of A approximately 153 feet. This is approximated to whole number, which comes as 153 feet. We will now use the sine law relation involving the side length B and the angle B. So I'm going to use this relation, that is sine A over A equals sine B over B. We can plug the values into this relation. So we get sine of angle A is once again 50 degree over A. We have just found out that to be 153 feet, and this equals sine of B, which is 43 degree over B, which is an unknown quantity here. So we can solve for the unknown B from this equation. We can do the cross multiply just like this. So we will get B times of sine of 50 equals 153 times of sine of 43. Now we divide both sides by this quantity sine 50 so that we solve for b. Let me do that. So this gives b equals 153 sine of 43 over sine 50. So we can plug this into the calculator, and when we do that, we get approximately 136 feet. So we have found the value of both A and B. I'm going to mark this as the side length B as 136 feet. So we have answered the questions. We found out the side lengths A and B. A is 153 feet and B is 136 feet.